अरे प्लेसमेंट्स हैं कुछ स्टार्ट करा. Hi, I'm Anjali and I'm graduating from Triple IT just in a matter of few days now. Today, I wanted to share my most important semester, one of the most important phase of all here. It was that time of college. Last time, you saw your seniors juggling with it, and this time, it's all you. As a student who decided before joining this college and was pretty adamant till the end of her fourth semester that she is not going to sit for placements, only came here to experience this newly afresh city life, was so sure and scared too to meet some amazing people and would think of her career trajectory something differently. I was so clueless after my school on what I want to do further, even if I do join college. I never gave placements that much thought and have discarded them all throughout until I think I hit my third year. I still was clueless, but this time had a definite path set out in my head on how I wanted to lead my adulthood after graduating college, and getting a job just became a priority from then on. So then what? I started grinding DSA while doing my courses aside, with every third day almost giving up and being like, ये मुझसे नहीं हो रहा यार, to restarting at the fourth day. Luckily, really enjoyed my courses this sem. Had professors that I really liked, but it was a bit time consuming. Had to find and extract time to actually do DSA as well.
थोड़ा सा उसको ऊपर रख. हाँ, सेम लाइन रिपीट कर, बस एंड में आराम से.
But this time was also me indulging in different art forms, actually liking and understanding theatrical performances, classical art forms, getting involved in festivals of different cultures, and experiencing different types of cuisines. For real, we went out a couple of more times than expected. From movie nights to ice cream stalls to trying out different restaurants to dancing our hearts out to even trying out studying and pulling an all nighter at a cafe. The pretentious way. Just to make sure not to feel burnout. But still getting burnout and getting fed up with the number of back to back assignment work, but also somehow enjoying the whole process. I never even missed out on a single chance of attending any music event that the club here organizes because most of them turns out to be so freaking good with a different vibe tagged all along. This semester I had it all. I did showed up every day, lost hope, learned things the hard way, came back at it again, and I absolutely loved the whole process. Each of us here had our backs whenever one needed support out of anxiety or stress or anything. With your friends constantly checking in on your stress level and preparation. You know what? I think you do question yourself a lot if anything you are doing is actually of any worth. The answer may not be clear right away until and unless you see real visible results, and that questioning yourself just keeps banging on you every once in a while. But I think only thing to remember is things will take time. Trust the process, take a deep breath and do your thing. Do what feels right. I know this is easy to say than to actually implement because even I don't really inculcate this that much in my real life, but I do know this fact. And slowly and gradually, I'm trying to bring this into reality, or whatever that is. So, yeah.
Around, it skips down a lot better. Whether it keeps low is the question. That we will see in the evening.
I've had the most overwhelming emotions throughout these 4 months. This one was a hard one to carry, as my brain cannot formulate those moments into words. You know, that very crippling feeling where you have lost all your confidence to express yourself and you feel like your outer world is right there to break you apart. Anxiety is killing you inside. You are thinking about uncountable things that your brain cannot keep a track on, and your heart beats faster than ever. You don't know what to do, whom to call sometimes to calm yourself down. Then you realize it's dinner time. You rush to your mess, hoping that the external noise might crush the noise within you. Might help you calm down. But what if it's past your mess timings? You start calling everybody in your contact list one by one, desperately waiting for someone to pick up the call. Ask them to meet if they are free and talk about all things random to distract your brain. Or maybe, just maybe, use a shoulder to cry upon.
नहीं अब मैंने याद
From not wanting to come here to being grateful to the people I have met so far and the city I am in, I have grown. From inculcating, indulging in different cultures to learning and trying out different art forms, I have grown. From again regaining my confidence bit by bit to leaving everything out of my control aside and starting to prepare for interviews, everything came in place before the real thrill began. अब आज के लिए इतना ही. From yours truly, Anjali.